Today, I'm going to show you how to use a relay to test components. Very simple method. Let's go. Now, let me show you the relay. So this is the relay, and I'm going to take it out. Now, this is like a relay kit. Lily has it. You can just buy this. It's a 4-pin, pretty simple. You have 85, 86, and 30, 87. 30 will always have power. 87 is the one that goes to the component. 85 and 86 could alternate, could be power or ground, each side. Just know that that's the control side. And 30 and 87 is the switching side, the load side. So all we have to do is make sure we have either power here or ground here. Whatever the case may be, we'll find out. And then 30 will always have power. So you know that if you have 30 power here and power on 86, that means if you give ground to this, the relay should close and 87 should power the horn and the horn should work. Now let me demonstrate. So put your test light on power and check that your test light lights up. Okay, it lights up. Now, when you put it on power, that means you're looking for a good ground. Now, check for a ground here on the relay. Check for a ground. The test light should light up, as easy as that. So this is our ground. We have one ground here. Now we're checking. Switch the test light. Make sure your test light lights up. Always confirm that. Now check. You got power here. You got power here. So this one, if you got two powers, this one, when I give it ground, the relay should close and you should hear a horn make the noise. Look. See how easy it is? Now you're using a test light basically as a command. As easy as that. See, it's just gonna give ground. See how it's horning? See how it's honking?